what AI can do, both so that they are ready for the use of AI when it is adopted by CRS, and also so that they can adequately and responsibly advise their clients in Congress on these issues. And I want to talk very briefly about congressional activity in the area of AI. AI is not a new topic for Congress. Interest in it goes back at least 2 decades, but we've definitely seen a huge uptick in the last few years. Over the past 3 years, there have been some 350 bills that have AI that were introduced in Congress. It's been mentioned in hundreds of hearings, and we've had 10 legislative enactments in the past 3 years. Now, what these things have in common, however, I would say is a sense of caution. I would say that if you look at all of these legislation together, there's 3 themes that come out. The first is to improve our understanding of AI and the associated risks and opportunities of different technologies, both by the federal government if it adopts AI, and also in terms of understanding what are the potential opportunities and risks if private parties use these technologies. The second thing is examining how current legal and regulatory frameworks apply. Are these laws easily transferable to the use of AI? Are there things that restrict bad behavior as it is? Or are there new requirements that need to be issued? This is something Congress is studying. And the third thing is to consider how to regulate research, development, and the adoption of AI by public and private sectors. And Congress is on record in legislative enactments as saying that they want the United States to be a leader in this field. Now, I will note that there are numerous topics of legislative interest. For the sake of time, I am not going to go through them. I have 11 on here. I could have easily put 50. The point of this, I think, is that AI is a cross-cutting issue, that it is not simply one particular topic, but it covers everything. And as a result, I think this is a very important issue for parliamentary research services to be cognizant of. Right now in CRS, we have a few people who are focused mainly on AI. But the truth is in a couple of years, all of us, no matter what topic we're working on and advising Congress on, are likely going to have some familiarity with how AI works because Congress is interested in and is having an impact in that area. Finally, in conclusion, I'll just make a comment that I think you can see, I hope, from our presentation that CRS is very interested in AI. We're excited about the opportunities, but we're also proceeding very cautiously. And I think a lot of what Congress is doing as well is in the information gathering process stage. And when I listen to the co-panelists here, and having talked to a number of you outside of this, it is interesting that I think a lot of us are on the same page. We are looking right now to understand how AI can be used by our parliament and by society. And I will say that I'm really excited about whether or not we're going to have another international conference in 5 years about this and talk about what lessons we've learned. Thank you very much.
예, 미국 주사처 CRS에서 두 분 이런 업무량에 대해서 굉장히 자세히 말씀해 주셨습니다. 그리고 특히 CRS